to like, I just need to like wipe this down. I feel like, hold on, hold please. Did that do anything? It did nothing. Y'all. Okay, hi, hello. Hi, I'm good, Mo. How are you? I'm very excited. Do I have everything I need? Hi, I'm very excited because something has arrived and I've been waiting for this since like July? August. I think I've been waiting for this since August. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so this is my mermaid tail. This is one of my tails. It is called the Neverland. Because it's like very like Peter Pan-ish, you know, like very green, right? This one, they named it the Dark Sea. Okay. I was gonna do this like I thought it was gonna arrive on Monday, but I saw this. I got the notification that it was arriving today, and I was like, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. And so of course, like, well, I waited for Sol to be like asleep. It's nap time. So he is currently asleep. And I'm excited for him to wake up and find his mom, my mermaid tail. Alright, let's not stab ourselves in the process. That would be really important, I think. Don't stab yourself in the process. What the heck? Man, what? Okay. This is my letter opener. Appropriate, I feel. It already feels, the box feels so like, oh my god, the fabric feels so different. Holy moly. Oh, care instructions, important. Thank you, Finfolk, for having care instructions in your packaging. Oh my god. Shipping label. Oh, okay, wait. I have to move the box because it's going to collapse. The box is going to fall. Sticker! I love stickers. It says I'm a Finfolk mermaid. Oh. It is darker than my usual, for sure. Like, I'm used to having like very bright, vivid colors, you know, but look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I love this. They're like making these in-house now, I believe. It feels so much lighter than this fabric. I mean, this is neoprene, and this is, well, it's just a different type of fabric. Oh my god, is this gorgeous or what? Look at this color. I love the dark colors. Like, it is Again, not my usual MO, but you know, wintertime, I like having more like emeralds, the darker colors for sure. Oh my god, the gradient is so nice. Holy crap. Okay, where's the zipper? I want to see the inside. Ooh, interesting Velcro choice. So this thing is supposed to house the fin part so that you can actually like, you know, propel yourself. But this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'll be probably putting on some makeup and doing some pictures. We'll ask Andrew if he can help us out with that. Oh my god. Look at this. Let's look at the spin. Like, I'm not. And they just had another release of tails yesterday. They make gorgeous stuff. And this is like, you know, silicone tails easily run up to like $3,500, you know, and I'm not like pro mermaid in the same way that a lot of folks who are pros are, in that they like get to go swimming a lot more than I do, you know, but I'm excited to add this to my collection and to my dive deeper videos. Oh my gosh. I feel like I should put it on now. Is that crazy? Is that like wild? I'll probably like put it on and take some pictures because you know I gotta do it up. No, but I kind of want to put it on. It's so soft. It's so soft. Yoni is at my feet. She sees a fishtail. I mean, this is gorgeous. I don't even think you can even see, like, the light isn't doing it justice, I feel like, because this is not really black. Down here, it's more black, but, like, up here, it's like this dark green, and it gets lighter as you go up. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I should put it on, right? I'll do that, and I'll take pictures. I'll do it and I'll take pictures. I kind of, you know, I gotta do the whole thing. All right. All right. Thank you for hanging with me and watching me unbox this beautiful baby. Well, the rest of the day is shot because this is all I'm doing. All right.